Hey, hello students. Welcome to Vijaya Healthcare Academic Society, College of Nursing. So, students, I hope you all are fine in this pandemic situation. Actually, in this topic, it is very important in the first year students and as well as second year students. Okay, BSc nursing students. So, health. Okay, it is this definition is very important, right? So, Nana, you will take definition. Health is a complete physical, mental, and also the social well-being, right? And not merely an absence of disease or a infirmity. According to WHO, World Health Organization, is given. Health is a complete physical, mental, social well-being. So he is a physically fit, mentally fit, and also the socially fit. Nothing but he is not having any disease, right? The person is very active. Okay, that person is considered as a healthier person, right? So that person is not having any disease or a infirmity. This is a multi dimensions of health. Okay, so the health dimensions is physical dimension, mental dimension, social dimension, economic, spiritual, and also the occasional dimensions. Okay, so health is a multi-dimensional, right? Physical dimension. Physical dimension, nothing but there is a perfect functioning of the body. Students, you will take entire body like cells to organs, organs to organ systems to organism. Okay, cell is healthier, organ is healthier, organ system is healthier, organism is healthier. Okay, so there is a perfect functioning of the body which is totally entire body is healthy. That dimension is called as physical dimension, right? So in this physical dimension, a clean clear skin, eyes, and lustrous hair. Lustrous means shining, right? Shining and lightening hair with a body well clothed and firm flesh, not too fat, a sweet breath, a good appetite, sound sleep, regular activity of bowels and bladder, and smooth, easy, coordinated bodily movements, all the organs of the body and functions are normal. This indicates physically healthy person, right? So nothing but there is a functioning perfectly, right? Our body parts are functioning perfectly, nothing but biologically perfectly. So this leads to good hygiene, sleep, and also the nutrition. Second one is a mental dimension. So mental health is defined as all state of balance between the individual and also the surrounding world. So mind, body, these are two different independent entities, right? So researchers discovered that psychological factors can include all kinds of illness, not only mental illness, right? It is also psychological factors like hypertension, peptic ulcers, bronchial asthma, and so on. Students mental dimension, which is nothing but he's accepting the situation, right? He will find the happiness. Okay, so it is related to physical symptoms also like hypertension, peptic ulcers, bronchial asthma, etc. And third one is a social dimension. Social dimension is it is defined as a quality and quantity of the individual and interpersonal ties and extent of involvement with the community. So there is a interpersonal relations, right? Interpersonal communication and extent of involvement with the community. Students, we are living in a society, right? Society, actually we are the members of the society. Okay, we are together, we are living in a society together. We are the members of the family, we are the members of the society, we are the members of the community, and we are the members of the world. So it is responsible of individual in the society, right? So the individual responsible of individual in the society. So there is a it is a fourth one is the spiritual dimension. So spiritual dimension is the part of the individual and gives the meaning and purpose of life. So it is an intangible something that transcends physiology and psychology. It includes integrity, principles of ethics, purpose in life, commitment, to some higher being and belief in concepts that are not subjected to state of art and explanation. Art of explanation. So spiritual dimension is nothing but spiritually believing, right? So believing and worshipping of the God. Nothing but the person's influence spiritually, right? So the person, you will take meditation. It is actually it is a spiritual, right? So the person, he is influenced spiritually. So that dimension is called as spiritual dimension. This spiritual dimension studies shows it's helping its behavior. So the changing of the behavior spiritually. Okay. Next, occasional dimension. Health is not merely an absence of disease, but it is a multidimensional process involving the well-being of the whole persons in the context of environment. So there are many non-medical dimensions of health, such as social, cultural, educational. So literacy is very important for health. It enables people to understand their problems and way of solving them. So students, occasional dimension, which is nothing but it is related to your job or a profession, right? So it is related to physical dimension and also the mental dimension. So suppose actually physical dimension nothing but you're performing the work, right? So you are performing any work like job or a profession, whatever it may be. So mental dimension, suppose the physical dimension, your work is very hard, you will feel very sad or tired. Suppose your work is very easy, you will feel very happy. So there is a link between physical and also the mental dimension. So further dimensions also there, like philosophical, cultural, socio-economical, and also the environmental dimensions are there. So these are all are the dimensions of the health. So students, I hope you understand this lecture. So thank you for watching this video, and please get subscribe on this channel. Thank you all.